And I want that like movie moment when they're like, oh my God, that is a busy man running over there. I want that.
Hello and welcome back to The Perfect X. I'm your host Leo Gunlami, and today we have something for the jet setters amongst you. We are of course talking about the perfect travel bag with everyone's favourite fashion expert, Hanan.
Hi.
Hanan, where have you just flown in from and what kind of bag did you take?
I flew from Dubai.
Ooh.
And the bag that I had was a duffel bag. And I carry on because that's the combo I like to rock.
Tried and tested combination.
Try, test it, stick with it, not changing it.
What things do you look for when finding that perfect one?
It's the size for me.
Okay.
I like to know that there's enough space in there. Even if I'm at the airport and the lady says, well, you cannot go over 23 kilograms, I need to know that like from a check bag, I can put a couple of stuff.
It's a transfer bag.
Exactly.
You're the person with your suitcase open on the floor.
I am that woman that is like, oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's me.
What material do you want that duffel to be made out of?
The one that I have is leather, and I don't think that I can change. I like the feel of it. I like the durability of it. All the bags that I had that were like travel bags, it was always a leather.
Also, leather lasts and leather wears with you.
When it comes to a bag, it's very personal. That's the thing. And like when you have a perfect bag, you don't want to give it up.
No, of course. And that's what we're trying to do. Help you find your perfect bag that you don't want to give up. Say if you ever run through the airport, how are you carrying this bag? Over the shoulder, under the arm, in the hands?
Hands.
Why?
Because I have a full control of the bag.
Of course.
No matter like what happens, I am running.
You do stuff like, that's my plane, wait.
Exactly. I'm like exactly. I'm like on Terminal B, but my plane is on Terminal Z, and I'm yelling at Terminal B. Just be like, stop, please. Yeah. And
the plane's not for 4 hours.
Yeah, exactly.
But what happens when you want to take that bag out and about? What's a good travel bag that can take you to the beach, to the mountains? What are we looking for?
So a tote bag is like a perfect beach bag in my opinion. You know what I like about the tote? You can open it and see everything. My phone is there, my wallet is there. It's so easily accessible.
Speaking of function, what are some good functional add-ons you love on a travel bag?
If you're extra lazy, wheels. If you don't feel like leaving, wheels.
Exactly.
You know, it's just like...
There's nothing worse than not being able to pick up your own bag.
When you have a bag that is so heavy, you know, your arm hurts.
Yeah.
And I am like the one like, as if I'm wearing a Birkin. I am holding it like this.
Here.
There's a whole duffel bag here. I love it.
Shall we do the speed round?
I'm down for it.
How many pockets are too many?
3.
What do you always lose in your bag?
Gum.
Visibly branded, yes or no?
Both.
Patterned or plain?
Both.
Leather or techie material? You're not getting the game. It's not a both, it's one or the other, Hanan. A leather or a techie material?
Leather.
And then on that leather bag, would you like initials on the bag, yes or no?
Please don't.
So finally, Hanan, we've spoken about these travel bags, but where are we traveling to in 2025?
I don't think that it's about destination, it's about who you're with. I think you can make every place fun with the right people.
I love that.
That was beautiful.
That was a heartwarming answer.
That was so cute of me.
Thank you, Hanan. It's been wonderful.
Thank you so much. Pleasure's all mine.
I will see you guys next time on The Perfect X.
Perfect.
Goodbye.
Bye.